Thank you for your order. Hello, this is Custom Built Structures calling to confirm we have received your order and are excited to get started on your project. Before we begin, we ask that you please have all underground utilities marked. This will ensure a smooth installation process and help us avoid any unnecessary delays. Please also note that there is a $300 drawing fee that must be paid before we can send out your plans. Once payment is received, it will take 3 to 5 business days for you to receive the drawings. Additionally, we require a picture of your installation site. Please snap a picture and text it to the number this message is calling from. Please note that all orders over $10,000 require an additional 50% down payment prior to scheduling. We will be in touch with you shortly to arrange for this. Our lead time is currently 4 to 6 weeks, weather permitting. We will do our best to work with your schedule and provide updates along the way. Once your structure has been installed, we would love for you to submit pictures to us by texting them to this same number. We may even feature your building in our newsletter. Thank you again for choosing Custom Built Structures. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to call us back. We look forward to delivering a high-quality metal structure that meets all of your needs. Our scheduling department will talk to you in the next few weeks. Thank you again. Goodbye.